In this video, you will see how you can Allowlist the Salesforce extension for Gemini in Google Workspace, which allows users to turn email inquiries into Salesforce leads and track their opportunities right inside Gmail. You will find Salesforce for Gemini in the Google Workspace Marketplace. As an administrator, you can allow users in your organization to install and run any Google Workspace Marketplace app, only allow listed apps, or no apps. If for your organization users are not allowed to install any Google Workspace Marketplace apps, there's two ways to make the extension available to them. You can add it to your allow list so users can install it, or you can install the extension for users. Before we look at how you can allow list Salesforce for Gemini or install it for the users of your organization, we have to make sure that the prerequisites are met. For the extension to work, Gemini features and the side panel for Gmail have to be enabled. The default setting for Gemini features in Workspace services is on. Should you have disabled Gemini for Gmail, you will need to enable it for the users of your organization to use the extension. To turn on Gemini for Gmail, sign in with an administrator account to the Google Admin Console and navigate to Gemini for Workspace. Note that this is only available with Standard and Plus Google Workspace accounts, as you can see from the list on screen. Click the Feature Access panel. To apply this setting only to some users, at the side, select an organizational unit or configuration group. Click Edit next to the Gmail service. Click on, and then click Save. To allow list the extension, sign in with an administrator account to the Google Admin Console and navigate to the Apps List section. Click Allow List App and search for Salesforce for Gemini. Next to the app, click Select. Verify that Allow Users to Install this app is selected and click Continue. Select if you want to allow list the extension for everyone or specific groups or organizational units and click Finish. Users will now be able to install Salesforce for Gemini in the Marketplace. To install Salesforce for Gemini for users in your organization, sign in with an administrator account to the Google Admin Console and navigate to the Apps List section. Click Install App, and in the Marketplace, search for Salesforce for Gemini. Click Admin Install, and then Continue. Review the data access requirements, developer terms, and developer policies. Select if you want to install the extension for everyone or specific groups or organizational units. Agree to the application's terms of service, privacy policy, and Google Workspace Marketplace's terms of service. And click Finish and then Done. It can take up to 24 hours for the extension to be visible to the users, but it typically happens more quickly. Please also check with your organization's Salesforce administrator to ensure that the extension is allowed in your domain. If users of your organization would like to learn how to use Salesforce for Gemini, please share the link with them, which you will also find in the description of this video. For your convenience, we have also linked further information on how to get started as a Marketplace app admin in the description of this video.